Beginning now. Danny sat a maths test every week for 5 weeks. Her marks out of 10 were recorded 2, 7, 9, 2, 8. Which of the three measures of average, mean, mode or median would Danny use to describe her results to parents to show her results in the best possible light? Alright, the mode is 2. She's not going to say her mode is 2 because that means she got 2 twice. Terrible result, okay? We're going to go for the median next. The median means you arrange them in order of size and pick the middle one. So 7, 8 and 9. Her median turns out to be 7, which is a reasonably high result. And finally, the mean. The mean is add them all up together and divide by 5. So that's 9, 18, 20, 28. 28 divided by 5 is 5.6.
Get the median.
So she's going to choose the median to make herself look as smart as possible to her parents, okay? The reason for this answer is I calculate all 3 of them and the median is the highest. Right, there's no other reason than that. Okay, number 4. The mode of 9 numbers is x. The mode of the 9 numbers is x. How many different values of x are possible? Okay, so here's the numbers. 7, 4, 9, 2, x, 3 and 5. How many numbers is there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 2 happens twice, 3 happens twice. Any other number turn up twice? No. X only turns up once. The last x doesn't count. It actually says the mode is x. So x can either be 2 or 3 to tip the balance. So if x is 2, that means you have 3 2s. Or if x is 3, you have 3 3s. So it's whichever one's the most common. So x can either be 2 or 3. Now, the problem is x is also the median of the 9 values. What is the exact value of x? So let's leave x out for a start. And we get 2, 2. This is me arranging it in the coordinate size. 2, 2, 3, 3. Leave a gap there for the 5th number. 4, 5, 7, 9. It has to be the number 3, doesn't it? Because 3 is the median value. The number 2 can't fit in there. The number 2 would have to go in here. So that means that x is equal to 3. So this means x equals 3 is the answer, okay? Next question. The table shows the mathematical grades for a group of students. If W equals 3, find the median grades. Okay, 3. Okay, find the median grades. What you have to do is you have to find the middle people. How many students do we have in total now? Add them all the frequencies together. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 is going to be 15 plus 5, 20 students in total. 20 is an even number, isn't it? Because it's an even number, you're going to have 2 people that are in the middle. 2 people are in the middle. You got to average their results. Okay, so what's 20 divided by 2? 10. So it's the 10th and 11th person that are in the middle. Number 10 and number 11. So let's find out the result of 10 and 11. So that's the first person. That's the first 4. That's the first 9. 10 and 11 both got grade 4. So if they both got grade 4, their average therefore is 4. Okay? Grade 4. This is categorical data, technically speaking, because you either have a grade 4 or you don't. You can't be grade 3.5. You either have a grade 3 or a grade 4. Okay?
What if you're finding the average of 2 different numbers?
Let's keep going. If the median grade was 5, what does it say to you about the value of W? Okay, W. If the median grade was 5, right, let's look at the current median as is, okay? So, what happens is, one person gets a 1, 3 people get a 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 people get a 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 6 people get a 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and 2 6s at the end. Now, what you notice is When W was 5, okay, when W was 3, we had 3 5s. Now, that means we had 20 students, didn't we? Yeah? 20 students. And who's the middle of the 20 students? Number?
3, 4.
10 and 11, which both got the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There they are there. Now, what he would like me to do is, he says, what happens if the median was the number 5?
The number of students would go down. There's less students.
You need more students. You need a bucket load of 5s to make that happen. Okay? When does the first 5 hit? Let's count. That's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You'd need the 16th person to be the middle, wouldn't you? Yeah? And you don't want any more numbers in front. You want all the numbers to come behind. So what I'd have to do is I'd have to add in, I'd have to bring my 2 6s down the way, and what I'd have to do is I just have to keep on adding 5. So that'd be 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Now, the median is the number 5. What does this tell you about the number 5? It means W has W is a big number. It's a big number that has to be above. How many 5s do I have there? 1, 2, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. W has to be greater than or equal to 16 to make this happen. Okay? Now, find in terms of W the mean grade. How do you get the mean, lads? How do you normally get the mean? Add them all up and divide by. Okay. Now, unlike this, the mean grade, the average grade. Okay. The average may not necessarily. The average could say grade 3.5. It might actually average 3.5. Alright. Okay. Next thing is find in terms of W the mean grade. So what you do is we usually multiply the two of these by each other, okay, to figure out what's going on. So what we're going to get is 1 times 1 is 1, 6, 15, 24, 5W plus 12, all divided by, what is that going to be? That is 15 plus, sorry, that's 11, 14, sorry, 16 plus W. Sorry, I'm missing this here somewhere.
22.
It's 22, isn't it? 4, 10, 15, 17, 17 plus W. Oh yeah, I'm right, because W was 3 earlier and that turned it into 20. Okay, next thing, add them all together. 7, 22, 46, 58. 58 plus 5W divided by 17 plus W, and that's your mean. Okay, you can't do anything with it. Now, if 37.5% of students obtained a grade 5 or 6, find the value of W, hence find the mean grade. Okay, so 35.7%. Okay, this is a difficult question, okay? Now, what it wants me to do is, it says 35.7%, that equals students who got, students on 5 or 6 divided by total students, right? Because that's how you get a percentage. You get a fraction first. You get what segment you're looking for divided by the total number of people, and then you're going to multiply by 100 over 1. Now we have 35.7% of students, and students on 5 or 6. Multiply that by 100 over 1. So how many people got a 5 or 6, lads, according to the chart? How many? W plus 2. What's the total number of students? Huh? Total number of students is 17 plus W. If we multiply that by 100 over 1, we should find out what it equals to here. So that's 37.5, okay? So what we're going to get is just cross multiply. What's 37.5 times 17?
8.1.
It's a pretty hard one to do. I wouldn't be doing that in my head. 637.5. 637.5 plus 37.5. So what I did was I multiplied this part up here by the 37.5. What I'm next going to do is multiply the 100 by, I'm going to multiply W plus 2 by 100. I'm going to get 100W plus 200. Okay? That's a W there as well. Bring the W's to one side. I'm going to get 62.5W on one side, and I'm going to get 437.5 over the other. I'm then going to divide 62.5 into 437.5. What's it? 62.5? 7. W equals 7. Okay? W equals 7. Now that we know that W equals 7, we now need to find the mean grades. The mean grade is this formula here. And if W is 7, what we can then change it into is 58 plus 35 divided by 7 plus W, which is going to be 24. So 58 plus 35 divided by 58 plus 35 divided by 4, or divided by 24. And the mean grade is going to be 3.9. Okay? 3.875. Now, that doesn't really make sense to a small degree. You either get a grade 4 or you get a grade 3. But that's sort of telling you that on average you're closer to grade 4 than you are to grade 3.
So would you write down grade?
No, you just keep us 875. And if you're asking the test, if you can say this is in categories, you can say grade 4 is most likely favoured. Okay? Alright guys, that is the end of this section here.